Hi everyone, Dan from Evolution AV here, and today we're at the Hammock Marsh just north of Winnipeg. This wildlife preserve is home to 300 species of birds, 25 species of mammals, and the recently overhauled multimedia theater that we helped put together. This space gets used for a lot of different things: school groups, corporate events, and the regular educational programming. We've outfitted this theater with a full video conferencing system that's great for hybrid events and Hammock Marsh's classroom outreach program. We've integrated 2 wireless handheld microphones, as well as a ceiling-mounted microphone array. The handheld microphones provide high-quality audio for individual presenters, while the mic array can pick up comments and questions from the audience. We have also installed 2 motorized cameras. These can be set manually, or, using the microphone array, can track speakers around the room. This makes it easy for presenters to focus on the presentation content without needing to worry about the AV, and still come away with a professional-grade video presentation. Thanks so much to Ducks Unlimited for having us out here at Oak Hammock. It's a beautiful area out here, and we're super proud to be a part of it. If you're looking to upgrade your presentation spaces, get in touch. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or evolutionav.ca.